Hello guys, this video will be in English. تحياتي الفيديو التالي باللغة الإنجليزية. الفيديو باللغة العربية بتجدون الرابط في الوصف أسفل هذا الفيديو. Guys, in this video, this is a new tutorial actually in my YouTube channel. It's the first time to talk about AI and how to use AI. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to use AI to detect face on images and then crop the images and resize them depends on your input. So before we go, don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and if you like all the videos inside my YouTube channel, you can subscribe my YouTube channel. You can visit the playlist in my YouTube channel and pick out the English playlist one. There is some handy and helpful videos, so let's go.
A Palestinian developer named Khalil Shirteh.
Khalil Shirteh, information technology specialist.
خليل شريطة سيكون معنا عبر سكايب.
Security researcher Khalil Shirteh.
Systems information pro from Palestine. Maria, I spoke to hacker Khalil Shirteh earlier.
Palestinian programmer Khalil Shirteh.
Khalil Shirteh.
Khalil Shirteh.
This is what Khalil did. Khalil is a Palestinian hacker from the West Bank.
من فلسطين الفائز خليل شريطة.
Hello again guys. So as you know, this video is about how to detect face on images using face recognition AI, artificial intelligence, and so I have some pictures that I collect from Google. These pictures have no privacy, I guess so, because I downloaded them from Google search, as you see here. So we have here about 5 pictures. We're going to use the AI to detect the face on these pictures, and then to crop the image depends on the face position on this picture. I'm going to use this script. Okay, it's for this user. I just forked it from his account to keep a copy in my GitHub account. So let's scroll down to see how we can install this. This is the picture that shows you how the image before and after. This is the image before and this is the image after. So we're gonna do the same for the pictures we have on my computer here. So install this. It's simple to install this script. You need just to copy this command line and paste it on your terminal if you are on Mac or Linux. If you are on Windows, make sure to first install Python and pip before you go ahead and paste this in your CMD as a command line. So I already did that, so let's just scroll up. I'm gonna show you some hints here that I faced. So here, this is the command pip install autocrop, and I faced some issues. These issues that I faced, but then I decided to use pip3 to install it. As you see here, pip3 install autocrop, and everything goes perfectly installed and successfully installed. So if you face any issue, just use, instead of pip, use pip3 to install it, to install autocrop. Okay, now after that, make sure to run terminal or to run cmd beside or above the directory that you are on. Okay, so I'm here, these are the pictures, so go up and run the command above the pics folder. Okay, so pwd, I'm already on this this path, which is I'm directly exactly on this position here. So if I do like just for this touch here, and okay, I don't have touch command here. Okay, yeah, I do have it here. I'm exactly beside the picture, just for testing purpose, to see, to let you know that I'm beside or above the pics, beside the pics folder. Let's go back to the script and see how the script works. That script works in with 2 types. It works by a command line. You can use a command line to use the script, or you can use Python API. I won't use Python API because we need to modify this script, but I will go to the easiest way, which is the command line. Scroll down. So as you see here, as example, to crop every image in the pics folder, I have pics folder here, and to crop everything, all the images inside the pics folder, resize them 400 pixel squares. This means the width and height will be 400 pixels, and output them in crop directory. Then the results will go to the crop folder. It will be another folder here named crop, and the script will put all the results inside it. Use this command, autocrop-i pix-o crop, width and height 400 by 400. Let's just copy this command and go to my terminal, paste it, and here we go. After that, I just need to hit enter. If you are on Windows and you face some issues, make sure to choose Pix, the full path for Pix, which is sometimes if you put Pix on C, you need to, on C drive, you need to pick the full path, which is C double column slash Pix, and then continue also with the crop folder, C double column slash crop, and so on. If you face such issue, I don't have Windows to test it. I have Mac here, and everything gonna go fine here because I already did this tutorial on while I recording the Arabic tutorial. So after that, hit enter from your keyboard, and as you see here, the result works great. Face detected on this picture, and face detected on this picture, face detected on this picture, and so on. It's so fast, easy to use. And go back to the folder, you'll see this. We have here a new folder named crop. If you open this folder here, we'll see that the results are super cool. So let's go ahead and open this picture, for example. And let's see the original picture, which is in Pix folder. This guy here, our guy. So as you see, this picture is so large, so big. Let me resize it just to make the view perfect. And here is the picture, and here is the original picture. See, this AI works perfectly. It detects the face, and it cropped the image 400 pixel by 400 pixels. You can modify the pixels from your command line, which is right here, with 400 pixel, height 400 pixels, and boom, we are lucky to have such AI to detect pictures. This is so helpful for people who work in universities, people who work for government, such as to modify hundreds of pictures for printing, such as passport printing or driving license, or whatever cause you want to modify bulk photos in order to print them. This is an amazing AI functionality. You can use it, and let me go back to the name of the of this script. It's for LeBlanc CFG autocrop. I just forwarded it to my GitHub. You can go directly to this link, which is github.com/retih autocrop-crop image the AI. You can just fork it on your GitHub if you want to keep a copy for yourself. I want to give you a hint, guys. In my YouTube channel, there is another tutorial on how to crack RAR and zip files, to crack their passwords. If you have a RAR file or a zip file that is password protected, you can use a tutorial that you can use some scripts to crack the passwords, where I show you how to use them on Google Cloud. You can use this script, autocrop script, on Google Cloud Shell. Go to that tutorial, watch it, and learn how to use Cloud Shell. It's better for you to use autocrop if you have hundreds of images, because this is gonna save your computer resources, and it's gonna save time while downloading and installing this script. This script, it's like 100 minimum 100 megabyte. Once you install it, you will know that it requires some time, depends on your internet speed. But if you are in cloud, you're gonna save resources, save internet speed, and save much more things. Upload your pictures over there to the cloud, and use the script to modify them all at once with one single command line. This is all for now, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and all the other videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel, share this video with your friends, because it's useful actually, right? And see you in the future tutorials. Bye bye.